So where do you do this? Oh, let's build a dam. So the Hoover Dam was the cover project for the analysis of the transformers that we had captured. And then so Hoover Dam was 1920s, right? When was Hoover? 1920s into the 30s. Beginning in the 1930s, we catapulted. Quantum physics was invented, lasers were invented, miniaturization of electronics was invented, and it was all claimed to be traceable to this new technology that we reverse engineered, beginning with that research lab built into. I thought that was brilliant. That was a brilliant way to say that. Or humans are smart and we invented that ourselves.
Yeah, I never watched the Transformers, man.
Okay. I'm just saying. It's okay. It was a clever weaving of a science fiction story into our culture. I thought it was a brilliant. Yeah. The rest of it, no. When they're fighting each other.
Yeah, it's stupid.
I'm Optimus Prime. No, I'm not doing that.
It's ridiculous.
No. And then you're a sports car on the side. No, I'm not.
Yeah,
I'm not.
fuck out of here.